Good morning, everyone. Myself Tanuja, MBA department, JBIT. So today we'll discuss the topic digital marketing. So now let us see. So here today we'll discuss these are the topics. What is the definition of digital marketing and what are the objectives and as well as the components or elements consist of digital marketing. So now let us see. First of all, what is the definition of marketing? So you already know the definition of marketing means the marketing refers number of activities. It means the company can promote the products for buying and selling services, and also the marketing includes the advertising, selling and delivering products to consumers and other businesses. So that is a marketing. While coming to the what is meant by digital marketing. So here the digital marketing means, so the marketing is common here. While comparing with the traditional marketing, the digital marketing means here the companies can it means companies use internet is one of the platform for advertising their products. So for advertising means for promoting and as well as selling and promoting their products or services. Here the digital marketing. So the digital marketing is nowadays is more cognizant while comparing with the traditional marketing. Digital marketing is very easy. Why? Because comparing with the traditional marketing, digital marketing is cost saving and as well as it is cost saving, and it is very the targeted audience customers companies can reach the targeted audience easily compared with the traditional marketing. Well, the traditional marketing means the number of platforms are there. Here the number of platforms means print media, television, newspaper, normal banner advertisements, like all these things. While the digital marketing means with the usage of internet, companies can promote their products. So the usage of internet means not only internet, the mobile phone, social media platforms and some other things. While coming to the objectives of the digital marketing, here the objectives of the digital marketing are reach the right audience. While comparing with the traditional marketing, here the digital marketing that reaching the targeted audience is very easy. Why? Because this is cost safe. For example, we'll take paper advertisement. So in paper advertisement, the people it means the targeted people are at the age group of 45 to 55. So one company, the targeted customers are 45 to 55 age group. But the company doesn't know when they took the print media as one of the platform for marketing channel. They are not sure whether the targeted audience will that communication or marketing message will reach the targeted audience within that particular or specified time or not. They don't know. While coming to the digital marketing, here the reach the targeted audience is very easy. Why? Because nowadays internet is very savvy. It means internet is very worldwide. It means so worldwide, and people are using, people are aware about the internet. So in the on that cases the reaching the right targeted audience is very simple while comparing with the traditional marketing, digital marketing reaching the right targeted audience. While coming to the engage with your audience, so for example we'll take any helpline. So directly nowadays people what will do, so customer services, so they directly search one online. It means toll free numbers in Google number of helpline numbers are available. They can directly search and select one number and directly call and directly contact with the company's customer services. So it means engage with your audience. So comparing with the traditional marketing, the digital marketing engage with your audience and taking, it means motivate your audience and the brand building, advertising, selling, like not only one thing. So number of objectives here. Why companies took digital marketing as one of the marketing channel means, so these are all the things they want to become more and more. It means the companies strengthen their marketing strategy. Why? Because it means nowadays world is internet savvy. So for example, we'll sit one place and we'll operate within by using the system, so we can sell our products entire worldwide. So that is very simple while comparing with the traditional marketing. So expanding your business or building your it means brand building while advertising and communication, then product your information. While coming to the product information about your business products or services means, so companies can, it means companies can start, it means companies can create one website. In that website they can mention each and everything. So what is a company, what are the products or services, like each and everything information they can provide on that particular website. For example, any customer want some information regarding that particular company, so they can directly search in Google in that website. Each and everyone get know. So these are all the objectives. While coming to the Components of digital marketing. Here there are total 8 components of digital marketing. So the components are search engine optimization, pay per click, social media marketing, email, affiliate, content, and as well as the website design and display advertisement. Thank you.